Oh shit! What the fuck? This is literally a game where you just light fireworks. Am I excited? Kinda. Does it look stupid? Yes. Literally, you just light fireworks. That's it. I think you can destroy shit too. Nah, I ain't trying to lag my thing. Let's do town first. We'll just do each one. Oh shit! So this game is literally just about lighting fireworks, huh? Connect fireworks with different fuses. So these are all the fireworks, huh? Should we just do like the... Should we go from like small to like biggest? Bro, what the fuck? I can't believe there's actually a firework game. Chat, let's just light all of them all at once. Let's just light them all at once. Hold on. Wait, I want to see. Can I do it like in a building? Like, can I actually destroy buildings? Hold on. Really? The fuck? Hold on. Oh! Hold on, chat. Let's do a big one. Dick Billy. Wait, what the fuck? Alright. Oh, shit! Chat, I don't think I can destroy buildings. This is not what I expected. So, like, what's, like, the biggest one? Alright, let's just do... What? Hold on. So, is that how I connect it? I see. Alright, chat. I have an idea. You ready? Y'all ain't ready for this. I just did that one. Alright, we'll just include it. We're just gonna do each. I'm gonna connect all of them and we're gonna light it up. To light it up, light it up. Alright. Wait, what? There's tubes. Why does it look like a fucking pee-pee, bro? Come on, really? Seriously? Alright, so now... Alright. Okay, that's all of them, I think. Alright, now what do I do? How do I, like, light it all up? Wait, so... Alright, here we go. You ready? Oh, shit! Oh, get behind! Oh, yeah! Happy 4th of July, motherfuckers! Ah! I did all of them, bro. Oh, shit! Hold on. Let's go in Ultra. Ultra's not lagging. Dude, I did all of them, literally. Oh, shit! Bro, why is the firework game actually fun? This is more fun than most games. That says a lot. Oh shit! What the fuck? Mama! What the fuck? Chat, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, dude. Alright, chat. You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna do it like we're gonna do it all around. Like we're gonna do a shit ton. We're gonna connect a bunch all the way down, like from here to like down there, bro. It's gonna be crazy. You guys ready? All right. Alright. You guys ready? This is gonna be nuts. Alright, I'm just gonna... Well, actually, you know what? Hold on. Alright. So we're gonna... Alright, so chat, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna light fireworks, but we're gonna, like, make it... I'm gonna go put it all across the block. Like, from here. I'm not gonna do... I would do it, like, everywhere, but it's like, that's gonna take forever, man. Well, maybe, you know what I should do? Maybe I should just... Fuck, dude. Dude, I swear my... my fucking throat, bro. I had too much pee-pee. Pussy, I mean, my bad. Speaking of pee-pee, I gotta piss, but, we're gonna do this. Chat, I'm just gonna... Alright. You guys ready? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna... I'm assuming if they're close to each other, it counts, chat. Like... We'll find out. I think so. Dude, this is gonna make my thing fucking crash 100%. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah? Dude, this is gonna be crazy. Chat, you ready? Guys, I've come to the conclusion that, yeah, I wish we had more American fireworks, bro. There's not enough American fireworks here. I only see Canadian. Chat, this is gonna be crazy. Should I go all the way around, bro? That's gonna take forever, though. Fuck it. I'm gonna assume that I don't want to connect all of them, bro. I think it just lights up automatically. Alright. I'm not gonna go crazy over here. I'm just gonna get it all together, you know what I mean? I know some of them are probably not gonna light. I feel like some of them might not light, but it's okay. Most of them will. Alright, chat, you know what? Okay, hold on. Alright, I'm gonna go all the way around. I might as well just go all around. We're gonna go around the entire block, bro. Get some in the middle. I wanna get, you know what? Fuck it, let's just get it everywhere so that way I don't waste some, bro. Because I know some are probably not gonna light if I do that. If I don't get enough over here. Balling. Dude, this is goofy. You know what? I'm not gonna do it all the way around. That's too much. Alright, we're just gonna do it like this. You ready? This should be good. This should be good. This should be good. Alright, where's the fuse? Oh, fuck! Oh, mama! Mama! Is it gonna light all the other ones? Chat, I think I gotta connect it. Chat, hold on, hold on. Alright, you know what, chat? This is gonna take forever. We're gonna do each of these, and then we're gonna call it for this game. No, actually, you know what, dude? You know what? That's too much. That's gonna take forever. Dude, this is... I'm not gonna do every one. I'm just gonna do most of them. Like, I'm just gonna do most of them. I'm not doing every single one. Chat, that's stupid. I thought this game would at least, like, add some logic to where, like, if there's a firework near the other ones, they'll explode. You know what I mean? This is probably the greatest game I've ever fucking played, dude. I'm actually, like, this game actually exceeded my expectations, bro. I was expecting disappointment. This is just actually fun, bro. A fucking firework simulator is actually fun. It's crazy how the stupid games are always the most fun, bro. And they're more fun than most of the shitty... The games that actually try to be good, you know what I mean? Chat, this is gonna take forever. I'm not doing every one, bro. I'm just doing most of them. Alright. How much... Dude, how much you guys want to bet we can put money on this, bro? $50 million that my fucking thing crashes. Well, I guarantee you my shit's gonna crash 100%. It's going to happen. I'm on ultra settings, too. Like, in the game, there's, like, graphic settings. I didn't really see a difference, but... Alright, chat. I'm gonna go around, and then... Like, I'm gonna take one lap around, and then we're gonna... light it. Light it up, up. Light it up, up. Light it up, up. I'm on fire. Literally, I was on fire earlier, bro. Literally. Dude, that shit went crazy. I swear, dude, in the future, you guys are gonna have to remind me, bro. You guys better remind me. Like, in the future, I gotta do, like, a video of me, like, just... Like a vlog of, like a 4th of July vlog of me just doing goofy shit with fireworks, bro. You guys better remind me. Chat, that's gonna be the, look, I don't like telling my plans in the future. Like, look, I don't like telling specific plans, but I'll tell ideas of, like, what I want to do in the future. Ideas and plans, there's a difference between telling an idea versus a plan, like a specific plan of what I'm gonna do. Never tell your specific plans to someone. Hey, you shouldn't even tell ideas to other people, but, like, ideas aren't as bad, because just don't never say specific plans. But, bro, honestly, like, as far as, like, just ideas of what I want to do in the future, bro, like, vlogs, type of vlogs, I want to do, like, dude, I just want to do different type of vlogs of, like, I don't fucking know, just random shit, bro, just random vlogs. The Trash or Gas series is going to continue, but here's the thing about that, guys, I'm not going to, like, it's going to be kind of, it's going to lean toward, like, a more healthy stuff. Like, I'll do fast food, but I'm going to be staying away from, like, sugary or dog shit, like, unhealthy shit. So, like, I did Prime, and I know you guys are like, oh, Prime's dog shit. I know, believe me. I actually hated that shit, because my heart actually felt terrible at that. I'm dead serious, bro. I'm going to still do the Trash or Gas series, but it's going to lean toward more healthy shit. Like, I'll do, like, restaurants, like, steak and shit. But, like, that's guaranteed. The Trash or Gas series is going to continue. But as far as, like, different vlogs, and it would be sorted under, it would probably be sorted under my random category. I have, like, dude, my channel is so organized, man. I'm so organized when it comes to my shit. I might have OCD. I'm kidding. I don't. Sometimes I think I do, but I don't. I don't have OCD. But as far as, like, random vlogs in the future, dude, I just want to do, like, stupid shit, man. You know what I mean? Just stupid shit. You guys are just gonna have to tell me what to do. Like, fishing. I don't know, me going, like, me playing, like, fucking hockey or whatever, like, street hockey. And you best believe I'll do it with other people, too, bro. As far as who with, I don't know yet. But I'll do it with everyone. I'm just gonna do crazy shit in the future, man. Chat, we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna do shit nobody else does. We're the greatest at everything we do, bro. That's just how we work. I have the greatest community, bro. Greatest community I could ask for. You guys ready? Alright. Ooh, here we go. Hold on. Where's my fuse? Alright. Wait. Wait. I'm trying to think before I light it. Where do I want to go? Like, I want to get a good view of it, bro. Should I go, like, right in the middle? I'll just like move around. I should have just did it down here. It's kind of pointless it over there, but here we go. Alright. You guys ready? Mama. Phew! I'm having flashbacks. Phew! so beautiful. Sorry. Chat, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Chat, what the fuck? Oh my god! What the hell? Chat, hold on. Alright. I'm just making sure my temperature is good, my GPU temperature. Oh my god! Dude, this is actually chaos. I just blew up a car, bro. Holy shit! Holy shit, the fireworks store! Oh my god! What the fuck? Smokey the Bear, where are you? Chad, what the fuck? Holy shit! Chat! Did I just lay that? Wait, was that a... Chat, hold on. I swear there's something, there was like a mass explosion somewhere. Was there, did I lay up, like, was this like a fireworks store that I blew up? Was that like a fireworks store, bro? Oh my god. Oh shit. Let me check off this. Chat, what the fuck? Yo, why is my like camera kind of dark? That's weird. It's usually not that dark. Chat, I literally... Did I destroy any like buildings? That was... I know I destroyed buildings. Damn! So those are the ones that didn't... yeah, so obviously there was going to be most of them that weren't going to go off. These are the ones that didn't go off. That's crazy, dude. Damn! So is there like... I want to... Wait. What does this do? I'm assuming this just blows up, right? Wait, I want to chat on. So, okay, never mind. Dude, what the fuck, man? Chat, hold on. There's still other fireworks I haven't done yet, bro. Uncle Sam hat? The fuck? I think it's just a hat, literally. The tubes are kind of... I think the tubes aren't that cool, though. Oh, wait, I haven't done the smoke balls. Let's do the smoke balls. I'm not going to do as much as I did for the fireworks. I just want to get it up. Alright. I'm going to do one of each. Alright. And then... blueberries. Guys. We got some, red berries. We got blueberries. And we got vanilla berries. Wait, fuck. Chat, this is gonna take forever. Alright, I'm just gonna... Alright, so it's just smoke. I don't think there's anything cool about it. It's just gonna be smoke, literally. That's the way all it is. Yeah, it's just smoke. I mean, what did I expect? Yeah, it's just gonna... Ooh, red period blood cloud. Alright, chat. I think we're gonna call it here on this game.